Hi, my name is BJ and I have the privilege of serving as a youth pastor at New Covenant House. Our youth have been digging deeper into the Word of God, and it's been incredible to watch the faith of these young ones get stirred up as we lay down foundations on the Christian faith during our Sunday morning breakout session. And in those times, since the start of the new year, we'll be going through a series that I call Foundations, and simply unpacking this question: what is the life of a Christian marked by? So each month, we'll be going through different attributes of what marks the Christian life. Things like prayer, worship, engaging God through the scriptures, and ultimately, love. The month of March and April is focused on prayer, and that is where you come in. We would love to ask the church, the whole church, yes, even you, Faye, Mr. Joel, I see you too. Yeah, that's you too. Femi on Lights, yes, that includes you as well, and everyone online. We would love to ask you to partner with the next generation in writing prayer letters as a form of encouragement. And all you have to do is answer any of these three questions. 1, what does prayer mean to you? 2, how has prayer impacted your life and walk with God? And 3, if you have any testimony of how you've seen the hand of God move through the power of prayer, please share your story. There will be 2 different ways for you to send in your prayer letters starting in April up until Easter Sunday. In person, we will have note cards and jars on the high tables in the church lobby, or online via the well@newchdallas.com. Like a Timothy to a Paul, like a Naomi to a Ruth, like a you to the next generation, your story matters, and we would love to hear from you. God bless you.